Oh my god, this thing is still awkward. Alright. Alright. I'm going to thin it down. Alright.
Should have done the calipers on it.
We can.
Flip the sprocket. Yeah. Got it thinned out a little bit on one side. Tapered. Got to taper the other side. Have it looking like the original on the back. Pretty thick for like heavy duty bicycle or some other heavy duty chain.
My theory is the 4.5-year-old that made this. This was his first half day, and there's probably 200 more just like it.
I don't like this. I don't like this.
Getting there. Cool.
Wow, that looks great. See how? Oh yeah, that's gonna keep the chain clean. What do you think, partner? Oh yeah, it's almost the same profile.
A little bit taller too.
A little bit taller too. Yeah. Yeah, they're not touching.
Well,
Let's go ahead and make some connectors so that we can put this on the bike and test whether or not the motor is even strong enough to push this thing around with a person on it.
I don't like this. I don't like this.
All right.
Make some money off your ass. Make some money off your ass. There's a showdown in the desert. There's a showdown
All right. So it looks like it works. Now, what's the next step?
Strap all the electronic components and the battery and the throttle on there, put it on the ground, and give it a test run to see if it'll roll.
If it'll even handle its own power.
In 09, we was still on the bus, nigga. Before I knew I was the lunch, when I didn't have a brush, when his stick was a host trying to fuck with me. Before I cleaned up a bit like his company coming. I ain't know we was on the cusp of the money, trying to get a few bucks under custody. And my twin brothers was all said brothers, so my king gully and my skin tough and thin, lids covering my eyes now. They blind like I'm just high now. And if it's a good way to clear my mind out, I need to find out. I'm doing fine now. And I don't know when I talk now. Everybody at the show got astounded, posted up and drowsy in a cuss so much that it's us around me. Catch him in the daytime with dust down, was smoking out the pound, how the mud sounded out of your touch lousy. You can't sit with us, nah. Can't call it harsh living when the margin between you and all these fuckers is about as large as it gets. Ain't working, giving arm and a leg. Say's working, but he just talking cause he ain't working like a hard. This is bitch. Do you know this out this harder than this? Talking niggas like a timeless a win. Nigga, a slight frown on the brown rim, color brown, running wild on the runner's pick. When the clouds were enshrouded, I'm out with my face in the shower and drown again. Sometimes feeling like people hating it. But just look at the state he's in.
Oh yeah.
Y'all, the most critically acclaimed slang, torch on their names, sucking corporate big. Citizen of corporate. Other hand got a corporate hit. All this route be the sportsman shit. Walked in and said I needed all the shit, as well as the one on my shoulder. Feel like your heart got pneumonia. Bug lace thought I was older. I feel like a nigga self-components.
That looks like it might be working, Laura.
Generation lost, facing a pull out, I'm thinking more. Watch me and file for the case.
Holy crap! That was half throttle? Oh, I got you a runway. Holy crap! You're actually moving. You got the safety gear on? All right, okay. Oh my God, this thing is still on. All right. Holy crap. Not bad.
Those birdhouse, no problem.
Made it through my situation. Ain't I blessed as I could be?
All right, my awesome barber liked it. So we're gonna go ahead and finish it up. CJ's gonna go ahead and add gussets to the motor, make sure that it can't move and stays laser straight. My job is to continue electrifying it, mount 2 batteries, or mount the 650 amp controller, and I may go ahead and modify it so it'll go faster. We're gonna apply some brakes, and it'll have electric cutout switch in it so that if he hits the brakes, the motor will turn off. And we'll keep going from there. Put the ignition switch in between the forks, and then make him an outlet or something so that he can put his lights on. Astronaut CJ Fabricator. Ready? That stem bolt was massacred. Here's what's left of the stem bolt. Yeah, we tried to take it loose, but that little fraction of steel was not enough.
Either weld it and make a big old booger there, or try to extract the screw. What do you think?
Boogers. The boogers could probably extract it anyways. My other hand. I'm in trouble, man. Always in trouble, man. Ring in these all colors, man. Mr. Tap. I cannot write that good. Man, that looks nice. Thanks, CJ. And he almost spelt my name right that time.
Got it all down, it's not just gypsies and fairies. This could be my last breath. I'ma take my time. Cause I'ma go out the same way I came in. Right by the pussy with nothing on my mind.
Alright, so now we've soldered these connections. We have our power in and out. Now I need my key in and out, so I've hooked it up to a power side. And then the other one will go to the power side as well. Alright, now I'm not exactly sure the polarity, so I'm not going to mount it to the motor just yet. But we have the battery connected to the setup switch, going to our connectors. I've already modified the controller to put out more. I need to make charger ends, but I haven't decided on what I'm going to use yet. Paint it, make it look pretty, mount it to the bike.
The hallucinations have stopped, finally, thank God. But my adrenaline reserves are burning out, and I'm staring straight into the face of a total psychotic freak.